Good evening. My name is Steve. I'm representing Jeep Grill Skins today. Steve from STW Wraps. And we're going to install a black reflective Jeep grill skin. What we've gone ahead and done already, excuse me, is we have taken the Jeep symbol off our grill. We also cleaned it up with some alcohol. And that's pretty much it. This is obviously off the vehicle just because we don't have a Jeep to put in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my grill skin and I'm going to try and line up the bottom and the sides as best as I can. Personally, I like it a little. I'm going to put it right even with the bottom edge. I'm going to hold both sides just to make sure that I'm like right on there. Pretty much go by feel. Now that I have it in place, I'm just going to take a little piece of masking tape, right? One on each side, and I'm going to tape the grill skin in place on the grill. So with this, I'm even gonna, let's see, I've got it over just a little. I'm gonna peel that, pull that paper back. Let's see. I want to go over just a smidge more. Actually, you know what? I'm good. I'm in the right spot. I'm fine. Once I have it taped in place, it's not going anywhere. Move it down ever so slightly. Side's good up here. Move this side down just a little bit. I like where I'm going to end up. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel back this the backing paper, keeping the grill skin on my transfer tape. And as long as I've got this thing taped down to the grill really nicely, there should be no reason why anything should come apart. Next, I'm going to fold the paper behind. Right, you know what? Let's take this razor blade. I'm going to grab this razor blade real quick. And I'm going to cut this right off. Alright, now that we've got that off, again, we're taped in place, but I'm going to double check and make sure that my grill skin hasn't moved anywhere. Next, I'm just going to roll this up with my squeegee. Just squeegeeing this down, making sure that it's nice and light. Working it all the way around. Then I'm going to peel my tape off. You'll flip it up. Peel the rest of the backing paper off. Again, the best way that I've found is to just squeegee down over the slats. Pop a hole in this right here. I want to make sure I get around. I'm going to peel my vacuum paper off. When I do so, see I have a little slack over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this up. Okay, when you get these, you'll notice that there'll be a cut on the side of it, just for this instance. So what I can do is I can pull the slack out of it. What I'm also doing is I'm just going to make sure that my skin lines up nicely. And just do the same thing all the way across this thing. Peeling off my... Now I take my squeegee and just go over the whole thing and just massage out all the little bubbles that I had in it. I don't remember squeegeeing this side, so I'll just double check, make sure that I have the whole thing on there. So now I go around the whole thing just to make sure that my edges are nice and tight. Oops. That's it. Just go around all my edges, massage all the bubbles out with my squeegee. Go around the trace around the outside basically with my hand just to make sure that I got all my areas down. That's it, people. There is my black reflective grill skin. This is called the, I believe this is the Pink Lilies. I'll show you what it looks like when we put a flash on it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. JeepGrillSkins.com. Wheel skins, grill skins, and hood skins. Grill skins, hood skins, and wheel skins. See you next time.